Welcome everyone, it's Gray Shirt Guy, rocking the gray shirt as always. Hope everyone's doing great. Back for some more Odyssey Torment and Judgment. Now, last week you guys enjoyed some Odyssey Torment and Judgment, and if you haven't, go ahead and check that. But for me, it's been several weeks to maybe a month since I've actually opened any of these packs, because I kind of record like 3 episodes at a time. And there was a couple weeks where I recorded a lot. So it's been a while, and these packs have just been kind of sitting here unopened on my coffee table, and I'm like, you know what? I need to record some videos. Let's crack some Odyssey, Torment, and Judgment. I really like this block, and let's see what we get. See if we get any more sweet foils. Still haven't gotten a Cabal Coffers, though. That'd be nice. All right. Trying to save all the packs. All right, a little curlage going on here. So even on the old packs, a little bit of curlage. All right, so we got Mind Bursts. Tireless Tribe. Oh, we got some breakfast stuck in my finger. Earth Rift. What is that? No, that's paint. Okay, all right. If you guys were wondering what was on my thumb, that's paint. Springing Tiger. Afflict. Blazing Salvo. Dematerialize. Leaf Dancer. It's a Forest Walk Centaur. That looks interesting looking centaur. Mostly centaurs are like humans with like horse bodies. This is kind of, that's not really a human's head. That's kind of weird. Aven Flock, Fright Crawler. That's pretty terrifying. If you don't think that's terrifying, well, you've probably seen some more creepy stuff. Thermal Blast. I like Thermal Blast. Looks pretty good. Now we got our first uncommon. We got Skull Fracture. Testament of Faith. That's pretty nice art. Zombify. Return target creature card from your graveyard to play for 4 mana. That's pretty good. And our rare is Savage Firecat. I don't know if I got this or not. All right, so Trample. Savage Firecat comes into play with 7 1/1 counters on it. When you tap a land for mana or remove a 1/1 counter from... okay, so for 5 you get a 7/7 Trampler. But whenever you tap a land for mana, so you either can't play anything from this point on, or unless, well, you could probably play a bunch of... non-lands for, yeah, so it's pretty good. If it had haste, I think this would be like really good. All right, what does Torment have for us? We gonna get that Cabal Coffers finally? I don't know, maybe. We got the Lancers, yeah, the Aven Trooper, Crippling Fatigue, haha, the Basking Rudwalla, like the Rudwalla, Aquamoeba, Putrid Imp, Obsessive Search, Corrosion Restorer, Rancid Earth, Accelerate. All right, so we get in the uncommons. We got Hydromorph Gull, Pardic Arsonist, and a Cephalid Illusionist. So no Cabal Coffers. And our rare is Mutilate. Did I get this already? I have seen this art before, but I don't remember if I pulled this yet or not. Mutilate. All creatures you control get -1/-1 until end of turn for each swamp you control. All creatures, not all creatures you control, just all creatures. All right, Mutilate is creepy. That is some creepy art right there. Her hand is sinking into her face. That's creepy. Oh, we got a foil. The foil's in the back. Interesting. Foil Hydromorph Guardian. Foil common. That is a beautiful foil. Look at that. That is so shimmery. All right, well, we got a foil, so... not too bad. All right, let's see what Judgment has in store for us. Oh, now the pack of them weird. Hey, we got Anger. Oh, that's right. So these are in the... you know what? I'm not going to hide the rare. Let's just start right from here. So we got Anger, Tunneler Worm, discard a card, regenerate Tunneler Worm, Unquestioned Authority. It's an enchant creature becomes a play draw card. Oh, okay. And our rare is Telekinetic Bonds. When a player discards a card from his or her hand, you may pay 1 white, 1 colorless, 1 blue. If you do, tap or untap. Oh. Whenever a player discards... oh, okay. So it's like discard shenanigans. Okay. So let's just quickly look. So we got Chainmail, Barkeeper, Flank Pain, Advocate, Mental Note, Defy Gravity, Bodyguard, Lost... Ear-Splitting Rats, Volatile Sentry, and Battlefield Scourger. All right. So now I will check the TCG Player app and see what our value is. All right, so this week's been pretty low in value. We got 535 for all the rares, foils, and uncommons. The Hydromorph Guardian foil actually doesn't have any data. So it's probably worth like 25 cents, maybe 35 cents or something like that. It's just a foil common that's probably not going to be used for anything. I didn't even read what it did. What does Hydromorph Guardian do? Creature Guardian, sacrifice it, counter target spell that targets one or more creatures you control. Yeah, it's very, very narrow, so, but it is foil, so it's pretty cool. Anyways, but we did get a $2.48 Anger, so yeah, that's not too bad. Well, anyways, hope you enjoyed and tune in next week. See you around. Later.